For this shawl you will need a yarn cake, for example this one, but you can use any color you like. And you will need 2 crochet hooks. You will need a G hook for the shawl and a E hook for the border. We will start with a slip knot. And we chain 4. Now we insert the hook in the first chain that we made. And we make a slip stitch. So we pull the yarn through both loops. And this is the circle we are going to work the first few stitches in. So row 1 we chain 3. And this counts as the first double crochet stitch. And then we make 3 more double crochet stitches in the ring. So as you can see, I insert my hook in the ring around the chains. So I've made 4 double crochet stitches and now I chain 2, which is the corner. And then we make 4 double crochet stitches in the ring. Row 2 we will chain 3 and we turn our work. Now we will make 2 double crochet stitches in the first stitch. Now we will make 1 double crochet stitch in every stitch except for the last one, because there we are going to make a spike stitch. So this is the last stitch. And we are going to make a spike stitch, which is like a normal double crochet, but we insert the hook 1 row below. So instead of inserting the hook here, we insert the hook here. And pull up a loop. Make sure it's loose enough. It must not be too tight. And then we yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And then we will make a normal double crochet in the chain 2 space from the previous row, also known as the corner. And we chain 2 to create the next corner, and we make another double crochet stitch. So normally we will make a double crochet stitch in this stitch, but we are going to make the spike stitch, so we insert the hook over here. And then we continue making 1 double crochet stitch in the next stitches. And in the last stitch, which is the 3rd chain from the previous row, we will make 3 double crochet stitches. Row 3 and 4 are repeats of row 2. So we chain 3, turn our work, and we make 2 double crochet stitches in the first stitch. Then we will make 1 double crochet stitch in every stitch till the corner. Now we will make a spike stitch, so instead of inserting the hook here, we will insert the hook in the row below, which is over here. And now we will make a double crochet stitch in the chain 2 space. We chain 2 and we make another double crochet stitch. And then again we will make a spike stitch. So instead of inserting the hook here, we will insert the hook here. And then we continue making 1 double crochet stitch in every stitch till we reach the end. And in the last stitch, in the 3rd chain from the previous row, we will make 3 double crochet stitches. Row 5, we will chain 3 and turn our work, and we will make 2 double crochet stitches in the first stitch. Now we will make 1 double crochet stitch in the next stitch, and then we will make a spike stitch in the next stitch. So instead of inserting the hook here, we will insert the hook here. Then again a normal double crochet stitch in the next stitch, and a spike stitch in the next stitch. And this is what we will do till the corner. So we make a normal double crochet stitch, and then in the next stitch we will make a spike stitch, which means we insert the hook in the row below. And then in the corner, this is the stitch before the corner, we will make a spike stitch. So we do not insert the hook here, but here. And then we make a double crochet stitch in the chain 2 space from the previous row, and we chain 2, and we make another double crochet stitch, and then again we will make a spike stitch, and then we make a normal double crochet stitch. And I will make a double crochet stitch in the one but last stitch, and then I will make 3 double crochet stitches in the last stitch. We will insert the hook in the 3rd chain. Row 6 is almost the same as row 5. But we need to make a little change. We will turn our work, and we will make 2 double crochet stitches in the first stitch. And now we will make a spike stitch in the next stitch. So we insert the hook here. And then we make a normal double crochet stitch in the next stitch. And a spike stitch in the next stitch. And then again a double crochet stitch, and that's what we will do for the whole row till we reach the corner. I'm at the stitch before the corner, and we will make a spike stitch like we always do. And then we make a double crochet stitch in the corner. We chain 2. And we make another double crochet stitch in the corner. And then we make a spike stitch. And a double crochet stitch. And we will continue doing spike stitch, double crochet stitch till the end. And then in the last stitch we will make 3 double crochet stitches, which is in the 3rd chain from the previous row. Okay, so this is basically it. The rest of the pattern is only repeating row 2, 5 and 6. And I advise you to check out the pattern on my blog. You will find the link in the description, because here you can find when you need to make which row. Now we'll see you at the end when we will start with the border. For the border you will need a smaller crochet hook, like an E-hook. I will show you on this small version of the shawl how to make the border. We chain 1, turn our work, and make a single crochet stitch in the first stitch. We chain 9, and then we will make a slip stitch in the 4th chain from the hook. Now we chain 2 and we will flip the ring that we just created horizontally like this. Now we will make 3 double crochet stitches in the ring. 1, 2 and 3. Now we will make 3 half double crochet stitches. And we chain 1 and we will make a triple crochet, which means we yarn over twice, insert our hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 and yarn over, pull through 2. As you can see, we have half of a heart now. Then we chain 1 and we make 3 half double crochet stitches in the ring. And we will make 3 double crochet stitches in the ring. Now we chain 2 and we will make a slip stitch in the ring. Now we will chain 5 and we will skip the next 3 stitches and make a single crochet stitch in the next 3 stitches. So when you make the single crochet over here, make sure these chains are not twisted. And we continue making these hearts till we reach the corner. At the corner, just make another heart like we just did. And now we'll make 1 single crochet stitch in the next 3 stitches right after the corner. We'll repeat making hearts till the end and I will see you there. I just made the last heart and I will skip 3 stitches and make a single crochet stitch in the last stitch, which is the 3rd chain from the previous row. If you like this tutorial, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. It's free and this way you will get notifications about my new patterns.